Universal Free Time, in essence, is a busy time scheduling tool. It allows for organizations to share employees' availability with selected people, groups, or companies, no matter which email platform they use, saving people a lot of time when scheduling and planning. Universal Free Time can be used in different ways. First, as an integrated part of Notes, here you can create a meeting like you normally would, fill out the meeting details, select the people you want to invite to the meeting, and you will then get a visualization in the bottom where you can see when people are available, regardless of their mail platforms. Drag the horizontal column to find a time that works for everyone, and then you're ready to send out the invites. Another way to do it is to use the OnTime Group Calendar web desktop to get an overview and book meetings. From here, you can just select people, filter everyone else off, and drag and drop in the calendar to create a meeting or an event. Fill out the meeting details to the extent you want. As soon as you create the meeting, it will appear in your own calendar, and a gray area will appear in your invitees' calendars until they respond to the invite. From here, you also have different kinds of groups, the public ones that are set up centrally, shared ones for projects, and private ones that you can create yourself. But more than that, you can also take it to the next level by combining free time licenses with premium licenses. This way, you will be able to give your employees the calendaring tool that fits their individual scheduling needs, depending on how much time they spend every day planning and coordinating. The premium users have a much more detailed view of the calendar where they can read entry details and work on behalf of others if they have been given the access rights to do so. This allows them to take all details into consideration before creating a meeting or a meeting poll in their own or someone else's calendar. Regardless of which type of license you decide upon, it is going to save your employees a lot of time and frustrations, something that benefits the whole organization. But don't just take my word for it. Download your free 60-day trial of OnTime now to try it out yourself.